Hi, my name's Gregg. I'm a welding instructor here at Worcester Technical High School. We're ready for our final step before we bring this to paint. So if you haven't done so now, remember to subscribe and please hang with us. All right, so now that I'm done with the carbide burr, I can clean up, brush off the steel, and get ready to finish the job with the cartridge roll. So I'm gonna change it out, grab the smaller wrench, get it close to the die grinder, grab the bigger wrench, do the scissor trick. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so we're gonna loosen it. Pull out the carbide tip, grab the cartridge roll, take it here, righty-tighty, do a little bit with your fingers, pull up, scissor move, nice and tight. So now that I got the cartridge roll on here, I'm gonna throw on my PPE and we'll finish this thing up. So now we're gonna work on the guitars that their customer requested. And we have some of these small little areas to get into, so I'm gonna use the cartridge roll to get in there. So I'm gonna come in here really soft and have some finesse. I feel pretty confident that I'm done with this project right now as far as grinding. You can see there's still grinding strokes on here and it's not quite perfect because this is a trade school. We have a great auto collision department and they're gonna paint this and gloss it up and make it look really nice. So I know I can have some of these grinding strokes in here because it's not gonna be noticed after it's painted. If it was gonna be for something different, stainless steel, aluminum, or maybe even more of an RT piece, I might grind it down a little bit more, but I'm not gonna spend too much time with this just because I know that it's gonna get painted and that'll hide a lot of the mistakes. Remember, a little bit of paint make a welder what he ain't. All right, so in conclusion, I think we're ready to bring this thing to paint shop. We've used the die grinder, got in between all the letters, got our guitar. I just wanted to mention that we left the grinding marks on here, but we also left like little imperfections because this thing was hand cut and hand welded. It wasn't like shipped to China and some robot made it. Some of the kids here made it and cut these out. So it's those little perfect imperfections that make it like something that got handmade. So that's why we like to leave those little imperfections in there, like that guitar circle's not 100% round. It's just those little things that when somebody walks by, they say, oh, that's a cool roof rack. And then when they really look at it, they go, oh, wow, somebody made that by hand? And you say, yeah, some of the kids at Worcester Tech made it. So this adds a little more character to the project and maybe a little bit more money. I hope you enjoyed following us along with this project. If you have any tips or comments, please add them below. And hey, thanks for watching.